Hi, Bear. What's up, buddy? Wanna play? Let's go. Where's your ball? Oh, I see one. Look. You want this? Good boy. Hey. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Brad, and this is Be Modified. Obviously, for today's video, we are going to be going over the exhaust setup on my 2006 Chevy Silverado SS 6.0. For those of you who are thinking about doing something similar to this and want to hear how it sounds before you go ahead and spend all that money. Now, my truck is cammed, so it will sound a little bit different than those trucks out there that aren't cammed, but it does have American Racing long tube headers. From there, it goes into 2 Glasspacks, and then from that, it runs back a little bit farther, goes into a dual in, dual out Magnaflow muffler, and then it just comes over the back axle right out the passenger rear tire here, as you can see. It used to come out right here on the rear bumper, which is where I'd like for it to swing out to again. Maybe we'll get that done here in the near future. Alright, so right here you can see the long tube headers coming down. Obviously no catalytic converters with this setup. And right there we have our Glasspacks. And then from there we go back to our dual in, dual out Magnaflow muffler. And then it just goes over the rear axle and exits right behind the rear passenger tire. Alrighty guys, so we're in the truck, headed out to the spot. And right now we're sitting in a light, but when we get going here, we'll do just a normal acceleration, and hopefully you guys will be able to hear what it sounds like in the cab. Alright, so here we go. There's a little bit of a drone in the cab, but not too bad. We're just doing normal acceleration right now. This is about 35 miles an hour. When we get up to this other light and take off again, we'll do a harder acceleration. See if you guys notice any difference inside the cab. So we didn't catch the red light, which is usually a good thing, but we're cruising about 35 miles an hour right now, as you can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a pretty decent acceleration and see if you guys can tell what the sound is like here in the cab. So here we go. Don't want to break the speed limit. Alright, I'll get back with you guys when we get to our spot. Alrighty guys, we made it out here. It's getting a little dark, but we're gonna go ahead and run with it anyway. Now before we get into this up and down the road thing here, we're gonna go ahead, get a couple revs in, let you guys hear this thing breathe a little bit. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this before we lose our light. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And just like that, I'll see you guys in the next one.